Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can set up donation goals using Streamlabs. So let's get started. Setting up a donation goal is a great way to encourage community engagement, and the process begins on the Streamlabs website, assuming you have already set up your basic donation settings. Start by navigating to your dashboard, and from the side panel, choose All Widgets, then select the Donation Goal widget. Switch to the Settings tab to customize the visual appearance of the goal. Here you can use the drop menu to select a layout, change the colors using the palette, adjusting the bottom slider for the profile and the top palette for the tone, and adjust the thickness of the bar and the font style before saving your settings. Next, switch to the Manage Goal tab to define the goal's parameters. You must enter a descriptive title for your goal, specify the total goal amount you wish to reach, choose your starting amount, typically 0 unless you are pre-funding it, and assign an optional deadline date. Once all fields are complete, click the Start Goal button to activate it. To display the goal on your stream, locate the blurred widget URL bar and click Copy to grab the unique link. Now, open your streaming software, such as OBS or Streamlabs OBS, and select the scene where you want the goal to appear. Under the Source menu, click the plus icon plus to add a new source, choose Browser Source, name it Donation Goal, and press OK. In the Properties window, highlight the existing URL and paste in the unique URL you just copied from Streamlabs, then adjust the width and height parameters, noting that the wider the width, the longer the bar will be, and click OK to confirm. You can then use the corners of the browser source overlay to adjust its size and placement within your stream display. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.